Welcome once again all the suffering men, women and children, not forgetting the suffering infants and toddlers worldwide who shall inherit the lands and become living trusts. This is just a short vlog regarding murder and theft and the violation of Barter law worldwide. Murder and the theft occurring by the judges and the police and the court staff and the council staff, all part of this racket, and also murderers and killers of the Barter law. These molesters must be held accountable. If not now, they'll be held accountable on Judgment Day. All of these trustees in the council, all these police trustees, all these demonic trustees who've been violating Barter law, also involved in killing and murdering and theft from members of the public. If you're aware, the policeman or policewoman could be acting unlawfully and illegally, whilst trying to enforce a statutory rule, statutory act and statutory policy and statutory regulation for the government, which only involves them benefiting and making money. In this process, the beneficiary could be killed. Be aware of this. The beneficiary is the man or woman who they've pulled over unlawfully and illegally conducting a commercial activity, and in the process they've killed the poor man or the poor gentleman or the poor woman. This will be covered up internally, as they violated the Barter law. Be aware of this. They violated that man or woman's rights and privileges and traditions and privileges and customs to barter, to give pounds and ounces in weight for any balances. If you're aware, these evil, demonic police trustees, these council trustees, these bank trustees, they want a balance to be paid, unlawful balance, so you can acknowledge the whole matter is actually unlawful, illegal, and they're still trying to extort us Great Britain, Bank of England, pounds promissory notes from you, and refusing to take the pounds and ounces in weight to lawfully settle the balance. Be aware of this. This proves the theft and proves the murder and the violation of the Barter law. Be aware of this. This is why they'll never pay the lawful sum of compensation for the damages owed. As you're aware, they've killed many members of the public and covered it up internally. They'll keep on carrying on doing this until Judgment Day. Judgment will come on these molesters worldwide. So once again, I speak the truth, nothing but the whole truth. So help me God take all of these government molesters down. With this vlog once again, holding them accountable for Judgment Day, all of these evil demonic Freemasons who protected big high-end demonic pedophiles such as Jimmy Savile, Lord Janner, Rolf Harris, and the ex-Prime Minister of England, Ted Heath, who was also a paedophile and belonged to the same Freemason lodge as Jimmy Savile, Lord Janner and Rolf Harris, and also not forgetting the children's football coach, Barry Burnell, and also the evil Cyril Smith, the evil MP, Member of Parliament, member of paedophile ring. These have all got the same connections, all of these molesters and paedophile ring harbourers worldwide. They have the same links to the same lodges, the Freemason lodges. And the judges are part of this, violating and killing the Barter law, along with the Bank of England. This vlog will be entitled "The Police, the Courts, the Councils, and many other corporations are killers and murderers of the Barter law. Full right rights and full laws will prevail on the land lawfully. These government molesters will be taken down and held accountable, if not now on Judgment Day. Be aware of this. These Freemasonic evil, demon-worshipping mayors and their other demonic pedophiles in the Freemason structure. So you're aware they have their own education in the lodges. These molesters will be held accountable on Judgment Day. The wrath of the Almighty will come on every single one of them, especially every single policeman and policewoman. As you're aware, there's plenty more Jimmy Saviles now who have taken over their positions and are still being protected by the police and the judges. These are evil times. Most of these judges are pedophiles. Be aware of this. This is why they get the high-end protection. They are pedophiles along with Jimmy Savile and Lord Jenner and Rolf Harris and the ex-Prime Minister. They're probably the same ages. Be aware of this. These are evil times. Full truth is being revealed slowly but surely on the lands worldwide regarding these demonic activities which they've been perpetrating secretly. Full rights and full laws will prevail on the lands lawfully, taking down these government molesters. Violation of trust law, contract law, human rights law, administration law, equity law, common law, Holy Bible laws, Barter law, trade law, and case law has been occurring unrighteously and unlawfully on the lands for very many centuries. These molesters will be held accountable, and they will.